Hi, organizers! In this video, we'll walk through the essential settings and customization features that help you launch and manage your hackathon with confidence. A successful hackathon is the result of dozens of decisions made well before the event begins. You'll quickly notice the difference between well-prepared and poorly prepared hackathons on platforms like DoraHacks. A great hackathon starts with a solid setup, and we want to make sure you have everything you need to succeed. You can check out what's required in the checklist. Once you've added all the required details, simply return to the checklist to review everything and officially submit your hackathon. Don't worry about making mistakes along the way. Your page stays hidden from the public until you click the final submission button. Beyond the checklist, you can also customize your hackathon page and manage your event exactly the way you want. Let's look at a few powerful features that help get your page launch ready. First, custom questions. If the default registration or submission form doesn't collect all the information you need, simply add custom questions. You can add custom fields at 2 different stages. Use Ask Hackers during registration, or use Ask Bidlers to collect technical details when teams are ready to submit their projects. Next, disclaimer mode. If your hackathon has participation terms or legal agreements, simply enable disclaimer mode. Hackers will be required to click Agree before continuing. It's also a great way to make sure important information doesn't get overlooked. You can also customize your submission requirements. By default, GitHub repositories and demo video links are optional. If they're required for your judging process, simply switch them to Required in the submission settings. Need more control over who can access your event? Here are a few options to help you manage access. Page visibility. Public mode makes your hackathon visible to everyone. Submit with password allows anyone to view the page while restricting submissions. Private mode protects the entire page with a password. If it's an exclusive event, you can also use the Butyl Submission Whitelist feature to limit access to a specific list of email addresses. Tab visibility. Keep your page clean by showing or hiding default tabs, such as the public Butyl list, announcements, the Join a Team matchmaking hub, or the public Q&A forum. Finally, let's look at admin management. You can invite up to 10 permanent organization admins to help manage your organization. When you need extra support for a specific event, simply add hackathon collaborators. They'll receive temporary admin access that automatically expires when the hackathon ends.